Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to another episode of Mark and Matt, where today we're going to talk about some words that have the same sound. In English, they're called homophones, but don't worry about that. Let me show you a couple examples. First example, threw. I threw the ball. We can also say through. I jumped through the hoop. See, we have through and through. Two words with the same sound. If I say this sentence, he threw the ball through the hoop. He threw the ball through the hoop. He threw the ball through the hoop. Through. Two words, same sound. We also have it for this. If I say flower, I have a beautiful flower that I'm going to give to my wife tonight, right? A beautiful flower. I can also say flower. This is also the word flower. But this one I don't use I don't give to my wife. If I gave flower to my wife, I think she would be very confused. She'd be like, Mark, why are you giving me flower? I'd rather have a flower, right? I want a flower. I don't want flour, right? So when you're cooking, of course, use flour, not flowers. Okay, flower, flowers, right? That's also one of these homophones, right? One of these same sounding words. Okay, next, heels. A lot of you wear heels. I don't wear heels, but maybe you wear heels. These are called high heels. I can also have this word, heal. If you heal, maybe you're sick. Then your body will heal. Your body will get better. Heal and heal. Same sound. Same exact sound. So your foot won't heal if you wear high heels, right? Very true. Your foot won't heal if you wear high heels. If you have a cut on your shoe, or not cut on your shoe, if you have a cut on your foot, you have to be careful. You have to wear comfortable shoes. A cut won't heal on your heel if you wear heels. Well, there's another one. Heel. Next, maid. Right? Some people in Singapore, they have a maid. So, maid, of course, they help you at home. They clean your house. We also have this maid. This maid is our verb. If I say made in China, that's our verb. Made. So, this is a robot maid. This robot maid was made in China. Made. Okay, next, steel. My hometown is Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania. They're famous for steel. So this is steel. It's a very strong kind of metal. We use it when we're building skyscrapers or any other, cars, any other type of situation where we need a very strong material. We use steel. I can also say this. This guy, he is stealing my laptop. I can't make any more videos because he's stealing my laptop. So we have steal and steal, same sound. Can you steal a steel beam? That's my question for you. Can you steal a steel beam? I don't think you can. It's way too heavy. Stealing a steel beam. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. So, I think that's it. That's all of my homonyms for today, all of my words with the same sounds. So hope you enjoyed it. If you did, guys, give it a like. Tell me some other words you know. Do you know any other words in English that have different meanings but the same sound? Or different meanings but the same spelling? There are some words like that. So I'd love to see if you know any of these same sounding words. Please comment below and I'll talk to you again soon.